Hello guys, welcome back to Startup GH. In today's video, we are visiting a farm called Fortress Farm. It's a pig farm actually. If this is your first time here, click on the like button and subscribe.
When I started pig farming, I had a motorbike. Before I started, I had a motorbike. I sold that motor and I used the money out of the sales to start my pig farm. So before I started, I had no motor again. By now, I have a motor. I have a motor again, which I bought from the sales from the pig. And now I've moved from my wooden structure to a block structure.
Within how many years?
Within 2 years.
Mr. Eric, what's up? Welcome to Startup GH.
Thank you.
Today we are visiting you small. We want to know much about pig farm.
Okay.
So can you help us?
You're most welcome. This is Fortress Farms, located in Jasikai, Iti region. In Fortress Farms, what we do is we raw pigs, sell.
Tell us about yourself. Why
Okay.
pig farm?
Why pig farm? Pig farm, okay. Me personally, I work at a credit union.
Okay.
And then, working under somebody or doing other work for salaries is not enough. And the only business I thought of was piggery because it's very profitable.
Why pig?
Why piggery?
What
My
made you-
piggery, the history or my story, when I was young, my dad used to run one,
Okay.
and I was the one taking in charge. And in terms of the money my dad was making from them, I saw it of a good venture. So immediately I thought of finding a side business to attach or to support me. It's only piggery that came into my mind. So that's why I'm into piggery,
Okay.
and I'm happy
Why
I'm
did
into piggery.
How did you start?
Oh, okay. First of all, before I started, I went to one pig farm to search for a nice breed. And then after that, I came back and got my land, got my structure ready. Then I went back again. So for the start, I went with a friend.
Okay.
So he helped me. We picked one male and then one female. So my start was a female and a male. And today,
A female
yes,
and a male. So you
Yes.
started with two.
two.
Okay.
That's what I started with.
So when you were talking, you said you got your land. And
Yeah.
what do you need to consider? before
Yeah,
you
the
start
first
it?
thing you need to consider is the land. That's why the land is very important. And then
Did you buy your own?
where I started with, I didn't buy. It was for my dad. But where I am now, I bought it myself.
How many years did you spend there?
Oh, I spent about 1.5 years. Yes.
You went-
And then I
you
relocated.
got it here.
Yes.
Did you buy this place?
Yes, this is bought. Yeah.
So what again do you need to consider apart from the land?
You need to look at the breed you want to go into. The pig, we have breeds. Some breeds, they are very good in terms of reproduction, in terms of their growth, health wise. But some, they give birth and you don't see them. You don't see the activeness.
What breed are you wearing?
Right now, I have a large white,
Like,
German large white to be precise.
are they pure breed or hybrid?
It's a pure breed.
Pure breed.
Yes, it's a pure breed.
So you started with one.
One female and then one
Which
male.
breed?
The large white.
The large. Both of them large.
Both were all the German large white.
That's right.
Yes.
So how much did you get to spend?
So then, okay, the woman was something like a friend, so she gave it out to me at the female. I got it 300 cedis. That was 2 years ago. And then the male, she gave it to me at I forgot but it was a bit higher than the female because he was matured than the female.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got the boa was a bit matured than the female.
So why did you choose that particular breed?
The reason why I chose that particular breed was my research or the research I did on them. When it comes to reproduction, the least you should expect is 10. Whether first birth or second birth, the least you should expect is 10. So if you are lucky, you get 14, you get 15, you get 16.
Okay.
That's why I went for the large white.
The least you can get
The
is
least
10.
you can get is 10.
And how much? That's a small.
A piglet, hey, a piglet. Now, as I speak to you right now, a piglet, let me say 2 months old piglet, 2 months old, is going for 300.
300 cedis.
Yes, that's 2 months old. So if they are above, every month you add 100 cedis. Every month is 100 cedis.
So
But when they are ready for crossing,
how long
that one
does
the
it
price is different.
How long does it take to cross?
Within 6-7 months,
6-7 months.
yes, you're ready for crossing.
Are there any other breeds that are more profitable than any other breeds apart from the one there?
For me, I've not come across any other breed yet.
But are there different types of?
Yeah, we have the G-Rock. G-Rock is there, and then Landrace. I think these are the 3 normal ones we have around our area here. But I've not come across any G-Rock. All I came across is either the Landrace or the large white. The large white, we have it in different.
Okay.
Yes, we have it.
Before you started the conversation, you went into piggery because it's profitable. How
Yes.
profitable is this one?
How profitable?
And in terms of money, how
In
profitable?
terms of money, pig farm, you know, someone will say pig farm is
No,
very
I don't want someone who say. I want you to tell me your personal.
my personal experience.
Yes, make it personal because a lot of people are very vague. They only tell you it's profitable. 1,000 cedi might be profitable to you, but to me. So tell us.
Yeah, it's true. Oh yeah.
How profitable?
Me, if I say pig farm or my pig farm is not profitable to me, then I'm a big liar. And I have a friend who will testify to it. When I started this pig farm, I know where I was. Financially, I know my stand. And right now, as I speak to you now, too, I know the difference. So pig farming, me, the way I make money from my pig farm is one, I make sure my pigs are always healthy. If your pigs are not healthy, forget about profit. When the pigs are healthy, that's when they will give you healthy piglets. The piglets will grow fast and you make your money. So if your concentration is on your pigs, you get money from them.
How do you make them healthy? I mean, everybody.
So you are feeding,
Yeah.
medications, you give them the right feed that they deserve. You give them the right medication. Me, I vaccinate or I give them injections. Every month, I give them injections 2 times. I give them antibiotics,
Okay.
vitamins, and then the disease control medicines. This skin disease that makes them, you see them itching and then the deworming. So I have a medicine that controls both the skin disease and then the deworming. So when I give them that one, it deworms them at the same time.
Okay.
So if you have these 3 things and your pigs are healthy, you make your profit.
Profit.
Yes.
So let's work the numbers. As you started with 2. And you got. Tell me the process.
I got 10. After 4
You
months.
got 10 piglets.
Yes, I got 10
After 4 months,
piglets.
you
Yes.
got 10 piglets.
Because when it came, I kept it for a month. The next month I crossed it.
Okay.
I crossed it. So within 114 days, which is roughly 4 months. Roughly 4 months. We gave birth and I got my 10 piglets. So the 10 piglets, after 1 month, I did the weaning. I took them from the parents and then they came. So I got a room for them and then they were also there. You know, so after 4 months, I had market for them. I sold all the males and
How many
kept the females.
How many?
The males were 4 and the females were 6.
Okay.
So I kept all the females and sold off the male.
How much did you sell them?
The males and then I sold one at 450. Around 4 months, 5 months old. Sold them for 50 each. Yes. Whilst the females were there. So after 7 months, this 7 months I'm talking about, it all depends on the way you feed them. If you don't feed your animals well, they won't grow. Pigs, what makes them grow is feeding. Give them the necessary feed that they want. So if they are getting all the nutrients they want from the feed, they grow fast. Normally, pig, within 6 months from birth, they should be ready for market. Pigs, within 6 months, they should be ready for market. So if you really want your profits, feed your animals very well. And within 6 months, ready for market.
So,
and within these 6 months, let me say you had one sow or 2 sows that they give birth. The female pig is a sow. So when they give birth, after 1 month, you win. Then 7 days you cross.
You cross the mother again?
Yes, 7 days. Within 7 days, from the day you took the piglets from the mom, within 7 days, you should cross them.
So when you cross your the mother, you cross the soul again. Well, the next production.
The next production was 13.
You had 30 from
Yes.
from the mother.
Yes. The next was 13. And then all the 6 that I left, all the 6 female, they all gave me, I think it was only one that gave me 9. All gave me 10 first birth. So they all give. So within these 6 months, the mother has given birth again.
Okay.
Within these 6 months that they are matured to cross, the mother has given birth again. And she's pregnant.
Okay.
Within these 6 months, the mother has given birth, 1, and she's pregnant again to give birth. So if within these 6 months you know how to feed your animals and take good care of them. In these 6 months, you're already getting about maybe 40, 50 pigs in your pen.
Okay.
So if within 6 months you have 50, 40 pigs in your pen, what shows you're not making money?
Have you done 100 piglets?
Yes, I did 100 piglets before. After that time, I had the females were 9. So at the end of the day, I crossed them all the same week. You know, pigs are in such a way that when one comes on heat, they all come on heat continuously. When one comes on heat today, the next day you see the one coming on heat, you see the other one coming. So if you have a male, you cross them all within a week. So what I did was, I waited and they all came on heat within the week, and I crossed all of them. And when they give, I had about 112.
112.
Yes, 112. And then that year, I think I lost only 3 or 4. From the crowd was too much. I was at my former site, and that place wasn't spacious, so they were too crowded, and some died. I lost some. So at the end of the day, I had 108.
So that particular year, how much did you get?
Oh, no,
No, people tell you it's profitable, but they didn't tell you how
Oh,
much.
what I did was, when I got those 108, at first, because of the quantity, there was a big pressure on me in terms of feeding. So what I did was quickly, I need to strategize myself and feed them. So I fed them for 4 months, and I divided them into 2. Then I sold some, then the rest.
You sold how many?
I sold about 35. Yeah, 35. I had a market from Accra. They were in need of some piglets to start. So they quickly came and go. And so they came in 2 badges. I think they came in 2 badges.
You sold one for how much?
Oh, so when the market comes like this, you have to make good use of it.
How much did you sell?
Okay, I sold one at 370.
370.
Yeah,
By 35. Oh,
you can do the calculation yourself.
this girl.
So all of that year I made, and that was when I started this farm. I started my new site here. Yes. So that was the money I used in starting the farm. So I didn't go for no loan anyway. To start.
So you made 30,000. Yes, 30,000. 13,000.
I didn't go anywhere for any loan. So I need to start this place because over there they were too crowded, and I don't have any intention of stopping it now. I don't have any intention, so I need to get a permanent place for them. After then I was using wood, so I thought it was getting a...
Okay, talking about profits, is there a market for pig farm?
Yes, there is market.
How do you create your market?
One, how I create my market is there's ready market for me at Accra. One is at Accra, one is at home. So if I call them today, right now I have pigs, they'll come for them. Any quantity.
For the piglets or?
No, both the piglets and the matured ones.
Okay.
Both the piglets. There is one farm at Kaswa. They buy, rear them and slaughter. So when I see that the pressure is too much on me, I call them quickly and then they come in. So that's the market.
How did you get that market? How did you create that?
There was a veterinary man who was taking care of my animals. So he came one day and he told me if I'm looking for market, I should let him know. So people are really looking for it. Okay. So quickly he connected me and then they came. That's for the market. All I need now is my animals are ready for market. I don't need to think about market.
Yes. So that is how you saw your food.
That's how I saw. At times too, when I feel like I want to eat some, I want to chill some, then maybe I organize some 2-3 people in town, then they'll come for a day to chill and share, and I'll get my part at the same time getting my money.
Okay.
Yes, so that's what that one.
So what if I have, let's say, 20,000 and I want to invest in it? By the end of the year, would I even profit from it?
At the end of the year, from January to December, 20,000.
Can it start?
You already 20,000 can start a pig. 20,000 is too much to start a pig farm. As a starter, as a starter, me 1,000 cedis plus some dodo.
1,000 cedis.
That's some dodo.
I mean, you have to consider structure.
The structure, do you know what? Let me give you the technique. If you want to start a pig farm, in terms of the structure, don't go in for any expensive structure. Pigs are not those animals that jump, scatter, they destroy pens. No. Get a wooden structure for the pigs as a starter.
Wait. Gentlemen, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is a secret, you won't get it anywhere. So you will tell us.
As a starter, me, I would advise you go in for a wooden structure. All you need to do is get the land, get wood, this slabs. Now we have a lot of sawmills around that they saw this wood, so you can go to them to get these rough cuts. Then make sure you get your ground very rich. The cement floor is rich, that is all. Then you get your wood. The thick trees are there. You can get to the bush, cut some, and then you make your pen. Just make sure the floor is rich, that they can, pigs are fan of digging. So they love to dig the floor to search for iron and coal. So the more they dig,
how much did it take you to construct your previous pen?
Because other than I spent less than 1,000 cedis.
Less than 1,000?
Yes.
And it could take more than 100?
No. As a starter, you don't go in for 100.
Okay. So
even though the pen, I had 6 rooms, 6 small rooms, and then 1 big hall. Yes, I got some small rooms, 6, so I kept them in it, one. But the first one, I had only 1 room, and then a space there for the piglets. So after they gave birth, I was when I got the other rooms and attached. So for a start, if you have a room for a start, it's okay. Just keep your female pig there. So as the animal is there and it's growing, you are feeding, it's pregnant, you start thinking of how to get some 2 other rooms for them, for the piglets that are coming. So you don't go in and say, I want to do all the rooms down before I start.
Okay.
you get a simple, yes,
something.
just start with something. So just get a small room, small pen, and then you put. You're going for the female and then the male. You don't go in for them from the same farm. You take a female from one farm and take the male from another farm. When you take the male and the female from one farm, if you call something inbreeding, and it's not good for pigs. So you get a female from one farm, you get a male from another farm. So when you come, you can keep them all in the same room. You can keep those two animals in the same room. So if you have a simple room that can accommodate two animals, it's enough for you to start.
You know what? People say pigs within 6 months is ready. But I know this friend that has reared a pig for even a year and it's not as big as
It depends. It's because maybe I won't say his concentration is not on the pig, but maybe he's not feeding them the right feed.
What are the right feed?
Me, I don't buy feed. And the foreign feed now, the cost is 158, 157. But there's no feed, so the little one is very expensive. So if you want to depend on that, at the end of the day, you are sending all your profits into buying a feed. Meanwhile, you can make your own very nutritious feed at home. Me, I get my rice bran, my wheat bran, my soya beans, my fish meal. These 4 ingredients. Then the last one I'll give you the palm kernel cake. This one, most of the farmers are not aware of.
How do you get that?
When you get to the those who do the palm kernel oil, so they'll give you the cake.
Is it protein or is it fat?
So when you have soya beans as protein, fish meal as protein, so you get a fat from the palm kernel cake. So the palm kernel cake will help them develop fast.
Okay.
It will help them develop fast. So these 3 things, you know, the maize is carbo.
I know people feed their pigs with cassava peels and stuff.
Cassava peels, me, I don't feed my animals with cassava peels. When I started fresh, I was when I thought of it, but I never fed my animals with cassava peels. I know cassava peels is for goats and sheep, but pigs, I've not tried them before.
I see other content on YouTube and they are like
Cassava peels.
pigs can eat anything.
If you talk about the whole cassava, fine. But the peels alone, no. If you say the whole cassava, you don't take anything out of it. You uproot it and then you smash it into pieces and give it to them. But when you peel and you give them the peels, what are you giving them?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is the cassava itself.
Okay.
Okay, it's the food itself. So if you take the food out and you're giving them the peel, you don't give them anything.
So this pig, you said you lost your previous one, you lost 4.
Yeah.
Do they have any disease that you fight? Something
My farm, I don't have any
but there's a
disease
disease like that.
Yeah, people complain about disease, but I mean, the only disease I can see on my pigs is the skin, the skin rashes.
How do you control that?
I give them half a milk.
Alpha milk. Is it on the market?
Yes, it's common in the market.
How much is it?
I think now it's around 35 cities.
35.
Yes. I got to one veterinary shop at Owoi, and then I explained to him. When I started, I saw that thing. So I was giving them different injections, but it wasn't working. So I need to rush to the veterinary, and then he told me, and then so quickly he came and then gave an injection, and that's all. So since then, I've concentrated on that particular medicine. So anytime I see them scratching themselves on the wall, then I quickly give them.
I saw somewhere online where there's this swine flu.
Swine flu, I've never experienced it before.
Never.
No. You know, you can protect your farm from all these things. What you do is, maybe after every 2 or 3 months, you disinfect your farm. You get disinfectants, you disinfect your farm. If you don't have any disinfectant, me, what I do is, every 2 weeks, I scrub my farm. So when I'm scrubbing, I add salt. I add salt to the water I use. So after using the soap and everything, I just use the salty water on it and that's all. So there's nothing like an infection, flu. I've never.
How many months?
This one there, exactly a month old.
You just win them.
I just win them from them. So that's exactly a month old.
So what about this one? Sis?
This one they are 3.
3 months.
Yes. So that's 3 months.
Can we chop them?
Oh, the chopper, what you can see.
This one is really big.
This one is a big one. And this animal I started with.
Wow.
This is the animal I started. So this. The landlady. Only the landlady.
You can see some also here.
Those ones are all females.
Yeah, okay.
All those ones are females.
We just bought them.
Yes. So we separated them.
Your place looks neat.
Yeah, as for pigs, people say that pigs are very dirty. It's a lie. Pigs are not dirty. Depending on who you handle them.
These ones are how many months?
Yeah, these ones are also almost a month now. I took them from their mom very early, so.
There's 1, 2 years.
So as you can see, this one is also ready for crossing. So if you have an animal like this, exactly 6 months. This animal is exactly 6 months now. It's ready for crossing. As you can see, so it can be crossed any time soon.
So what's your plan for this season?
Oh, this
How
season, by December, I'm targeting not less than 100 piglets for sale. By December.
Piglets or
Piglets.
piglets?
Yes.
What about the matured
The
one?
matured one, this year I'm not selling matured ones.
Why piglets?
This year I want to keep most of them, especially the females. After the males, I'll leave them. But the females, I want to keep them because I target in the next 2 years to come.
Why is there a market for piglets like that? Why
Yes,
not
there's
the big
market.
ones?
You know, both the piglets and the matured one, there's market.
Okay.
Because some people are there, theirs is to buy the piglets, rear them for the 6 months or 4 months, then they sell them. Some are there like that. Because somebody is not ready to be rearing pregnant and I know about before on what the person is waiting for. Say, I have 4 piglets, 10 piglets, 20, 100 piglets. I'm rearing them for 6 months and then dispose them. So the market is there for both the piglets and then the matured ones. But me this year, my target, I don't want to sell them. Okay. I'm selling only the piglets for this year.
Is there any secret apart from what you shared? Any secret?
The secret? There's no secret. The secret is feed them well. The only secret in big farming is get the necessary feed they want. That is all.
On a general, has pig farming been very profitable? Has it changed something?
It has changed my life a lot. It has changed my life a lot.
Like how?
You know something?
Good or bad?
Very good. Very good. When I started pig farming, I had a motorbike. Before I started, I had a motorbike. I sold that motor and I used the money out of the sales to start my pig farm. So before I started, I had no motor again. By now, I had a motor. I have a motor again, which I bought from the sales from the pig. And now I've moved from my wooden structure to a block structure.
Within how many years?
Within 2 years. Within 2 years. I would say this April, 20th April was my 2 years. Exactly 2 years I started big farm. So it's very profitable
And you are
to me.
still doing your job?
Yes, I'm still doing my job. As for my job, it's not paying much. The money I'm getting from the pig farm is no more than. Yes. The money I get from my pig farm every month, my salary is not even 20 or 30% up to the money.
Wow.
So I'm hoping to quit my job very soon.
You say,
Hoping to quit my job.
say fuck it to your boss.
I won't say fuck you to him, but I'll thank him for maybe for holding me there for some time. Very soon I'm quitting my job, and then I'll be 100% fully into this because it's fetching me a lot. Yes, it's fetching me a lot. That one.
Can
I wanna-
anybody And anybody, let's say those in the corporate, anybody do pig farm.
Anyone.
Why do you say that?
Every human being.
Why do you say that?
But there's one secret. Unless you are willing to do it. Don't say because they say there's profit in it, because I'm also going to do it.
For someone like, I'm very busy, I don't have time.
You don't have time. Fine. You don't have time, you can hire me. I'll do it when I'm ready for that. At least I'll charge, I'll get another profit from there too.
So the reason why I asked that is you are working alright.
Yeah.
You do 8 to 7 hours.
Yes.
How do you make time for
my farm? In the morning I'm here. Early in the morning I'm here. I take care of my kids. By 6 I'm here. By 6:30 I'm out of here. I've already fed my pigs and then I'm going. Yes. So if you are somebody who is busy and then you can't do pig farm, maybe your work schedule is so busy in such a way that you can't. If you are ready and willing to do it, get somebody who is serious that can take care of you. Because it's very profitable. If you think of say you don't have time so you can't do it, you can get somebody to take care of it for you. Just make sure you get a structure and then you get the animal, the nice breed for the person. And then maybe from time to time you go to supervise. Maybe every weekend you go and check the farm, make sure the farm is okay. Things are moving on. Then you're good.
Okay, to someone out there who wants to start, do you have any advice?
The only advice I have for my friends out there is, we are complaining there's no work, there is work. Come to pig farming, join the pig farming society, and you will see that there's real money hidden somewhere. There is pig money or pork money hidden somewhere. So every young guy out there who is maybe whether you are working or you are not working, pig farming is another source of income that can support you. And when you join it and you start, don't think that you quit your job very early.
Thank you very much for talking to us. If you've not subscribed to the channel, go on YouTube and search for Startup GH and subscribe. Okay. That is how we get something small to travel this far. So if someone wants pigs to buy from your farm,
yes, I have piglets.
So give you a number.
Just give me a call on 0247 258833 or 0542 78 0067, or you can also try the Vodafone 0208 210034. So when you call us, Fortress Farms.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I'm on social media. You can link me up. Email www.fortressfarms.com.
Please don't worry, I will put it at the link below.
Gamble with their life. Forgetting the days of their old days. Now you have the time to have it. Husband, brother, something small. Yeah.